Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Trezor to an Android phone. First, gather your Trezor device, your Android phone, and a USB OTG adapter. Confirm your Android phone supports USB OTG functionality, which allows it to act as a host for external devices. This setup enables secure management of your cryptocurrency on the go, providing convenience without compromising security. Let's get started with the physical connection. Now let's make the physical connection. Take your USB OTG adapter and plug its micro USB or USB-C end into your Android phone's charging port. Next, connect the standard USB-A end of your Trezor's cable into the other side of the OTG adapter. Your Trezor should power on, indicating a successful physical link. If it doesn't, double-check your connections and ensure the OTG adapter is working correctly. With the physical connection established, it's time for the software. Download the official Trezor Suite application from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app. It will guide you through the process of detecting and connecting to your Trezor device. Follow the prompts to confirm the connection and securely access your cryptocurrency wallet. This allows you to manage your assets directly from your Android phone. For maximum security, always confirm transaction details directly on your Trezor's screen before approving them. This prevents any potential malware on your phone from altering transactions. When you're finished, safely disconnect your Trezor device. Remember to keep your recovery seed phrase in a secure, offline location. Also, for more great content and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Thanks for watching and stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.